Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we embarked on an exciting adventure, venturing eastward to the charming hamlet of Dewberry, Alberta, located just a scenic 66 kilometers northwest of Lloydminster. But we weren't on this journey for the ordinary. Our destination was something truly extraordinary, the world's largest chuckwagon. Picture this. In 1995, amidst the buzz of the Chuckwagon Races in Dewberry, a colossal masterpiece was unveiled. It's not your typical wagon, it's a fully functional marvel, a giant at 1.5 times the size of a standard racing wagon. What makes it even more intriguing is that some of its wheel components were meticulously sourced from an Amish community in Ontario. This remarkable creation finds its home on a trailer snugly sheltered within a 3-sided building. A brass plaque, like a badge of honor, graces the wagon, proudly inscribed with the words, "Built by Moza Wheelwright and Carriage Shop." Dewberry wears a title with pride. It is known as the Chuckwagon driver capital of Alberta, so what could be more fitting as a town attraction than a chuckwagon? This colossal chuckwagon stands as a tribute to the thrilling sport of chuckwagon racing, an embodiment of Dewberry's unique heritage and passion for the extraordinary. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into, like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may also enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.